Hola, and welcome to
Talnomanda Book Club.
yes, Talanomaanda Book Club. We've got something written up here. In actual fact, it's a poem in Fijian written by his grandfather, and the poem is about COVID-19 or
Kovindi Tinkadiwa.
yes, and this is an exercise just to show you how I help him to keep up with his Fijian reading, Fijian enunciation, pronunciation. This is an exercise we do. We write up things like this, but in this case, this was something done up by his grandpa, as I said, the poem about COVID-19. So what I do is I read, I enunciate and pronounce the words, and he follows along. So this is an exercise that helps him with his Fijian. So hope you enjoy this. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and we'll put out more things like this in the future for you. So here we go. Dua nai tala noa me utala noa taka.
Donai tauno meu tauno taka.
Covid tinikadiwa na kena ulu tanga.
Kovindi Tinkadiwa na kena ulutanga.
Ni da wawilika e da gaira rawa.
Ninda wawilika and the gaira rawa.
Ni wuni mate e no da vura vura yanga.
Ni wuni mate and nonda vura vura yanga.
Karua ni ka au via kanaka,
Karonika alvia kanaka.
mate go pe da kua ni rerewaka.
Matengo menda kuwa ni rerevaka.
Me da muria vinaka na ivagaro kei na ivagasala.
Menda muria vinaka na ivakaro kei na ivakasala.
Sama savana liga, tiko mula-mula e vei ngau na ke sara.
Savsavana linga tika mbula e veinga na keresara.
Dua na kere vei miau na nogu i dhamba.
Dona kere vei miau na nongu idamba.
Na ivakasala ni matani tu me da muria vinaka.
Na ivakasala ni matani tu menda muria vinaka.
No da Prime Minister sa kavivakararaba.
Nonda Prime Minister sa kalivakararamba.
Vengu na muli kei na dhaka.
Venga na vuli kei na dhaka.
Salo mangu meu sa sukamanda.
Salo mangu na sa sukamanda.
Ki maduata na nogu ya sana vagaturanga.
Ki mavuata nonda yasana vakaturanga.
Matagali o vuni dhau kuro ya vusa o na dhula.
Matangali o vuni dau kuro ya vusa o nadula.
Tikina o lambasa.
Tikina o lambasa.
Awai ami amida na kema mikakana.
Awai ami da na kima mikakana.
Vinaka.
Vinaka.
Hope you like that. See you next time. Bye.